Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and if you are my return subscriber, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. Today we're making an effective smoothie for weight loss using these 4 ingredients: pear, apple, fresh milk, and condensed milk. Firstly, I'm going to prep up all my ingredients. That's my apples prepped. It's now time for my pear. Okay guys, now that all my ingredients are prepped, it's now time to put them all into my speed blender. First goes in my milk. After that, my condensed milk, I'm going to put only a spoon. One spoonful in there. After that, I'm going to put my pears. And finally, my apple. Okay guys, it's now time to cover and blend for 30 to 40 seconds. Look at that. Okay guys, this is my freshly blended nut smoothie. Look at that lovely colour. I'm now going to serve it. This smoothie is very beneficial for weight loss. I could also be served as 1 or 5 a day because of the apples. Let me know in the comment section which country you're watching me from. As we are now come to the end of the video, kindly like, share, comment, and please subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.